wheel here. Give it a try.
Whoa! Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, both hands on the steering wheel. Wow, this thing is a monster. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah. So like I said, this one does have the carbon ceramic brakes. This has carbon fiber 1.
Okay.
It's got the front splitter.
The front splitter.
And the rear spoiler. Carbon fiber 2 would be the side skirts and up underneath the rear diffuser.
Okay, that's awesome. Wow.
But looks like you got Nico in the car with you.
Okay.
So Nico's a very, very accomplished racer.
Oh, cool.
But also a good kid.
Nico is he racing here? I think he is.
This week.
Oh, not this. Okay. It's got a sunroof too. Wow, that's cool. Panoramic.
All right, it's all yours.
Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Have fun in there.
Thank you.
All right, Nico.
All right.
How are you?
Good afternoon. Very well. So yourself?
Great.
Nico, pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you, Nico.
Have fun.
Thank you, sir.
When you're ready, go ahead and
Of
make
course.
yourself comfortable.
We just get the
Position,
seat-
wheel position, side
Get the
mirrors.
seat a little bit up.
Yeah, you can do all
Awesome.
that. It's all in the side
Yep.
controls right there.
Perfect, my friend. Thank you.
Also, when you got a second, try and look up the chem box. Have you heard of that one?
No. Oh,
So-
see, we got a mirror. We got a
Oh yeah.
camera with the pre
You
camera
go
there.
back to that, but then you know.
Oh, cool. No, I
then-
like the perfect actually.
You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Press on the brake, press on the side here, and pull it back, and let's pull out. We're ready to go.
All right. Get some of the AC going here. This cameras tend to have a little bit of overheating sometimes, but awesome.
All right. All the way.
Make sure we got nobody coming and no people. Oops. Yeah, we should be all right.
All right, there we go.
Awesome. Oh, nice Alcantara steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
It feels fantastic.
And then here we're gonna make a right. And
Yes,
this.
sir. I just went to drive the CT-4 right now, the V1. So
How'd you like that?
oh, it's awesome. It feels fantastic. Fantastic feeling of everything in the weight fields. They told me this was going to be, of course, a little more heavy, but a lot more power, of course.
So that has 472 horsepower from a twin turbo 3.0 V6 that was made exclusively for Cadillac. This car has a 6.2 liter V8 that is supercharged to 668 horsepower.
Wow, so it's kind of CO6 same motor, right? If I'm correct.
Because it is also an LT4.
Wow,
So
it's my first time behind the wheel of an LT4. It's awesome. No, it feels fantastic. The steering wheel feels excellent.
So it's got the get up and go of the Z06 and the ZL1. It also got the magnetic ride control that those cars have. But then you got four seats that you can sit 4 adults in.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like they call it the 4-door Corvette, right? Some Corvette.
I guess you can call it that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I said. Yeah, because usually say, yeah, if you love a Corvette but got family, get this
Yeah.
one, right?
And you can just drive straight through the gate 1 here.
Okay.
Right now we're in comfort mode. You can see, the wheel is nice and soft.
Yes.
Comfortable ride and whatnot.
No, the seats, the cool seats are fantastic too.
Oh yeah, the cool
I
seats. Oh, yeah,
got it.
you
Oh
can
yeah, I
feel
feel. So you want to go straight?
Straight through, yeah.
Just making sure under the.
Yeah, we can go through.
Okay, just making sure that you're.
We're gonna make a right here.
Oh, cool. Oh, so it's a different route than the CT4, I guess. Oh, a little bit there.
I guess so, yeah. So go ahead and make a right.
All right.
Straighten out the wheel here. Give it a try.
Whoa! Oh my God! Wow. Yeah, both hands on the steering wheel. Wow, this thing is a monster.
The thing I like about this route here is you got the IMSA race right now.
Absolutely, you got the Porsche Cup running right now, right? I'm sure this car can keep up with him. To make sure we got no law enforcement around here.
You got
Oh yeah. Wow, this thing just feels fantastic. Wow, that's, yeah, quite a bit of good power. Woo! I'm just kind of feeling the chassis, and now it's impressive. This thing is so taut and so, you know, so suspension just felt. Of course, the magnetic ride that this thing has is,
Yeah.
wow.
So the magnetic ride control, the fourth generation, was developed by a chassis engineer who's actually here with us this weekend, and he developed this, and you know, so it's in 20 thousandths of a second, it can read the inputs from the suspension, read the road, compute what it needs to do, you know, in terms of like handling or comfort or whatever it is the task at hand, and input it back and output it back into the suspension.
Wow.
So basically what that computes to, it's about 1,000 times a second.
Wow.
It does changes to the suspension.
Yeah, but it's obviously the ride is very, you know, sports, a little stiff, but that's just part of it, just what it, you know, what the car is meant to be.
And then you're gonna make a left here at the sign here. So yeah, it's a little bit stiffer. You can also feel the grab of the brake here. But then now, if we go to the sport mode right here, you can feel, you know, the wheel.
Go straight
brake,
over.
Make a left here.
Okay, perfect.
You can feel the wheel getting a little bit tighter. You can
Yeah, I
feel
felt
the
that a
brake
little bit.
feeling a little bit stiffer. You can feel the suspension stiffen up a little bit too.
On the brakes, these are the carbon ceramic brakes, right? Yes.
I don't know what this car's option was, but they do come with the carbon ceramics as an option.
Yeah, I think the gentleman mentioned this one had the ceramics on it.
Okay. Make a right here.
Yes, sir. That's a nice peon spot here.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see this at all.
You know, and the whole drive is just right next door to the racetrack.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing feels fantastic. I mean, wow.
And now you can feel like, you know, you feel the car's a little bit tighter now too.
Yes, absolutely it is. No, no, it feels, you know, it feels to get it handles well. I'm not gonna be pushing it, but wow, this thing just, yeah.
You also got the adaptive cruise control, so which is done on the wheel. You got lane keep assist. You got 360 camera.
All the bells and whistles of the new, all the new technology.
All the bells and whistles, all the new safety technology. It's got CarPlay too on this big screen. The CarPlay is great. It's got wireless CarPlay actually.
Wow.
So.
Mind if I pour just a little bit more, just a quick one here?
Go ahead.
That's the. Wow.
Let it off right there because there's that. He's over at the corner. Right there.
Yeah, I know. I'm just. Wow, the exhaust definitely opens up there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this power is just intoxicating.
Yeah.
I just drove a Scat Pack right now. Is that a cop?
He's in airport security, but let's respect him.
No. Yeah, no. I'm not gonna floor it. No, I'm just saying, I hope it's not a copy song. No, but I just drove a Scat Pack. Dodge for the first time, you know, not the Hellcat, but that was, you know, pretty nice. This is just a completely different level in terms of handling the way it feels. You know, this is just you can tell this is a driver's car, and this is available in a 6-speed, right? Wow, which is awesome.
It comes standard as a 6-speed, so this is
the optional.
Optional.
Now, this is an 8-speed or a 10-speed?
10-speed.
10-speed automatic. Okay, wow, awesome. Wow, this thing just feels fantastic, man. Wow.
You know, so you got best of both worlds. Then if we go back to tour, you can do everything stop and
relax.
Yeah.
The turn. No, we got to turn back to.
Keep on going straight through there.
Wow, this is fantastic. Yeah, the torque is just beautiful on this thing.
You're gonna go around the cone. We're gonna make a left at the gate 3 there.
Okay, perfect.
So that boot sign right there is where you're gonna make a left.
Yes, sir.
I guess behind the
RV.
The RV, yeah. You're clear to go.
Make sure this guy's not gonna turn. And that RV is. There we go.
And when he goes through, we can squeeze by to the left here if you want. If we're clear, we can squeeze by.
Yeah, hold on. I thought I saw a car coming. No, but there's a guy standing there.
He'll let us by.
Hold on a sec. Oh.
You see?
Oh, I see. Perfect. Just don't get in the door.
And let's go back.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this thing just feels fantastic. First time driving a CT-5. Oh no, not the BlackWing. Yes, that one. Last year I drove the regular, the one with the twin turbo V6, if I'm correct. Yeah, and that felt excellent as well. So now, yeah, just the added power. You can tell this car is serious business. So,
you know, and honestly, I feel like you get a lot for what you pay for. The car starts at $84,900.
Yeah, if you want to go light on options, you still get everything in power, right? I mean,
yeah, you got a lot of
speed.
things. You just don't really get the carbon pieces. You don't get the carbon ceramics.
Yes.
You don't get the automatic, which honestly I prefer the manual.
Absolutely. No, and that's the thing. I mean, you can probably go with some options, still be under 100 grand and get a ton of car. I mean,
yeah,
there's not much really out there that can touch you in terms of performance, power.
I think the closest competitor to this car would be maybe an E63 AMG, but there's two things that car does not have. A manual transmission, which for me is a huge plus.
Absolutely, yeah. You don't see, Mercedes with the manuals are pretty much non-existent.
Not to take anything away from the Mercedes,
oh no,
it's a great car.
no, of course.
But unfortunately, they don't come with a manual. You can squeeze through to the right here.
Yeah.
They don't come with the manual transmission.
No, exactly, and of course, that's the thing about it. In this car, I think these are, what I've read in terms of everything that's been reviewing on the track. These things are just as good, if not better, than the M5, all that stuff. So
yeah, and also the technology of the magnetic ride control.
Oh, absolutely.
The technology is so great that Ferrari buys a Gen 3
That's
technology.
what I could have heard about that. Yeah, they were just buying up the.
So this car has better suspension than the Ferraris out there.
I bet. I bet they could with some of this suspension.
Squeeze through right here.
Yeah.
Because he seems like he's taking some.
Make sure this guy. Yeah, let's make sure this guy. I'll make sure he's not gonna squeeze by.
I appreciate you keeping in mind there. Yeah, because sometimes there's, you got the crossing guard here.
He's busy, so you gotta make sure.
Not only he's busy, but he's looking for it, but they don't see him.
Yeah.
And they just cross through, and the guy's like, stop, and not seeing him. But.
Absolutely. No, but thank you so much. Beautiful. I mean, yeah. Tell Cadillac, wow, please don't stop making. Well, I know they're gonna stop them sometime, but these are fantastic. Yes, it is.
With enough, but I feel like with enough, it is limited production, but with enough attention, they might make another batch. But remember, this is gonna be the last hurrah for Cadillac because you're going all electric.
Yeah, that's the thing about it. It's like, oh god, this is gonna be the last true enthusiast, 6-speed. For us, I mean, I love driving. I've been here at Sebring a few times with Chin Motorsports and stuff, and this thing would be fantastic to take it on a track day.
And honestly, this is going to be a car that people are gonna talk about and want to have. It's going to be a collector car.
Oh no, I told them if anybody buys this now with a 6-speed manual and like that,
with all the little bells,
all the stuff, yeah, it's going to be worth some money in the future. Of course, you have to buy two. I need that one to drive and to keep.
Honestly, I think even if it's driven,
Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, but it's just I wouldn't, if I'm getting a car like this, I need to drive it. I'm not gonna, put this in the garage just for any investment purposes. But
even though some cars aren't investments, you buy a car because you want to enjoy it, and this is a car that you can enjoy and then you can daily drive.
Oh no, absolutely.
It's a multi-duty car, easy.
Absolutely.
Or this way.
Yeah, I hear the seat, and then I used to the CT4. It's like it gives you some pulses or something, saying you're close to something or something's asking, which is pretty cool.
So I was in that.
Camera's awesome.
And you can squeeze.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this gentleman to go by. I don't want to scare him. Some people go, hey.
Don't left here.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much again for all your information and pleasure. Fantastic cars.
On the other side of the cones right there.
Yep.
And then when you finish up here, you can hop back to this tent here and you can get some Cadillac swag.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Right over here. Okay. And then they'll pull forward right here. And right here is good. You can put it in the park.
All right.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Very much. Thank you so very much, my friend.
What is your name?
Pedro.
Pedro.
And you said you also race as well?
Yeah.
Okay,
so
cool.
I raced LMP3s in Le Mans. I raced GT4 Aston Martins in Europe as well.
Oh, wow. Well, awesome. It was a pleasure to meet you, my friend. Thank you very much for allowing me, and thank you for...
My pleasure.
Thank you very much, and good luck with everything as well.
All right.
Career, my friend. All right. All right, guys. There's a CT-5. Fantastic car. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful color. I'll put all that information for you guys up on the screen. Wow. Super nice at the Cadillac experience. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll put all the information for you guys and we'll continue. Take care. Bye-bye.